Look, for the last few years, artificial intelligence has completely dominated our headlines. We've seen firsthand that AI can write, draw, code, and hold conversations that sound remarkably human. But considering all of that incredible progress, you have to ask, what if AI isn't the final technological revolution? What if something even bigger is coming? We're talking about a technology so immensely powerful that it could completely transform humanity as we know it. So, that's exactly what we're going to explore in today's Explainer. What actually comes next? Because the truth is, the future is far stranger and honestly, so much more fascinating than most people imagine. We are looking right at a horizon filled with breakthroughs that will totally redefine what it means to be human and how we interact with the world around us. To get a real grip on what's coming, we're taking a visionary tour through 6 distinct breakthroughs that are going to build on our current AI era. Beyond the AI era, the quantum leap, super intelligence in us, hacking the human body, unlimited clean power, and finally, the convergence of tomorrow. All right, part 1, Beyond the AI era. Let's look at what comes next. Right now, it feels like everyone, students, massive businesses, top scientists, is using AI, right? It's getting more powerful by the month, making it super easy to just assume, hey, this is it, the ultimate breakthrough. But history brilliantly illustrates a real snowball effect here. The internet in the 90s laid the groundwork for smartphones in the 2000s. Then smartphones birthed social media in the 2010s. And all that massive data from social media, that fueled the AI revolution of the 2020s. The big takeaway is that past inventions always fuel the next. Let's start with brain-computer interfaces. I want you to imagine sending a text message, playing a video game, or moving a robotic limb with absolutely zero physical input. No keyboard, no mouse, no swiping on a touchscreen, just your mind. Scientists are actually developing devices right now that connect the human brain directly to computers. For paralyzed individuals, this literally means regaining physical agency by moving robotic limbs using nothing but thought alone. It is an absolutely profound merging of mind and machine. Moving on to section 2, the quantum leap. Let's talk about going way beyond basic binary bits. Today's computers process information using bits. A bit exists strictly as a 0 or a 1. Think of it kind of like a coin sitting flat on a table. It's either heads or it's tails, no in between. But quantum computers, they use qubits. And a qubit is more like a coin actively spinning in the air. It represents heads and tails at the exact same time. This fundamental difference is a complete game changer. It allows quantum computers to solve in mere seconds the kind of complex problems that would literally take normal computers thousands of years to crack. And by processing information in this entirely new way, quantum computing is going to unlock some completely wild possibilities. We're talking about discovering life-saving medicines significantly faster, creating hyper-durable advanced materials out of thin air, and solving deep scientific mysteries that have totally baffled humanity for decades. Next up, Section 3, Superintelligence and Us, the potential ultimate invention. Look, today's AI is amazing, but it's fundamentally limited to specific tasks. Artificial superintelligence, or ASI, would be an entirely different beast. ASI is an intelligence smarter than literally every scientist, engineer, inventor, and entrepreneur combined. Just imagine a system capable of solving problems completely beyond human comprehension. Now, a lot of experts believe this could easily be humanity's most important invention ever. But they also warn it could be our most dangerously uncontrollable one. Because think about it, once a system becomes vastly smarter than us, keeping it under control might be practically impossible. That brings us to Section 4, Hacking the Human Body. Let's dive into the future of medicine. Imagine a future where we can actually hack our own biology, thanks to some massive, unprecedented progress in genetics. Future medicine won't just be about taking a pill after you get sick. It'll be about detecting diseases long before any symptoms even show up. We're talking about seamlessly replacing damaged organs, or incredibly, even slowing down the aging process itself. Medicine is leveling up from treating illness to preventing it entirely, potentially extending human lifespans way beyond what we consider normal today. And zooming in even further, and this is where it gets really crazy. Imagine millions of tiny medical robots, literally smaller than a single red blood cell, working inside your body 24 hours a day. This is the real promise of nanotechnology. These microscopic machines would constantly patrol your bloodstream, repairing damaged cells, destroying harmful bacteria, and delivering medicine precisely where your body needs it. I know, it sounds totally like science fiction, right? But researchers are actively developing these mind-blowing possibilities as we speak. All right, let's zoom back out for Section 5, Unlimited Clean Power. We're talking about harnessing the power of the sun. For decades, scientists have been relentlessly searching for a way to master the exact same fusion energy that natively powers our sun. If humanity can successfully master this almost unlimited, super clean fusion power, energy would become cheaper and more incredibly abundant than ever before. And think about why that matters. Basically, all of our massive global systems run entirely on energy: transportation, massive scale manufacturing, huge water production operations, and global food systems. Mastering fusion energy would practically overnight transform all of our biggest, most stubborn planetary challenges. Which leads us to our final stop, Section 6, the convergence of tomorrow. This is where we combine these technologies. Because you see, perhaps the most powerful breakthrough isn't just one single invention. Imagine an incredibly advanced AI working in real time with quantum computing. Now add brain interfaces to that, plus biotech, plus advanced robotics. The future is going to be shaped by the deep, deep convergence of all these technologies working together at once. Every single breakthrough makes the others exponentially more powerful. The end result could be a lived reality that is completely unlike anything we have ever experienced in human history. You know, people are always asking what technology is eventually going to replace AI. But honestly, that might actually be the completely wrong question. Future technologies probably won't replace AI at all. They're going to work right alongside it. It's just like how smartphones didn't replace the internet. They expanded it, right? This mind-bending future that is arriving faster than ever is going to build directly on the tech we have today. The future isn't going to be shaped by just one isolated invention. It's going to be this massive symphony of breakthroughs all happening at the exact same time. So I want to leave you with this final thrilling question. Out of all of this, which future technology excites you the most? Is it the crazy intimacy of brain-computer interfaces, the raw problem-solving power of quantum computing, or maybe the massive planetary shift of unlimited fusion energy? Let me know down in the comments. And as these tools totally redefine the limits of biology and intelligence, we have to wonder, will we even be fully human in the world of tomorrow? Make sure to subscribe for more explainers, diving into the incredible future of humanity. Because trust me on this, the future is much, much closer than you think.